Just a little video test of low light conditions because I forgot my lights. And it is 4:45. So it might be close. I thought I was going to ride from like 1 to 3, but stuff always comes up. There's some beautiful old stone walls in the woods, ruins of an old farm, I guess. Cool. Now riding right along the wall. Beautiful. Still standing. That's another. There's a gate. There was a gate there. Some kind of intersection. Intersection. More walls just out in the middle of nowhere above Kingston. Lost to time. More. Really goes on forever. That was a stick. Range. Interesting double wall here. What is that all about? Okay, looks like a chute. There's another opening. I mean, this must have been a very extensive operation. Maybe sheep because the walls are so low. Oh, stay up. Look it up. Going through the wall. Wall continues. Beautiful. More wall, kind of. This seems to be the end of it because now it gets too steep. I believe I'm looking at somewhere down there. Kenko and the bright lights could be the Hess station. Route 28. Oh, more wall. On the left. All right. Now we're going to take the last entrance and head down. Now, between the two walls. Interesting. What was the deal? Beautiful, very flat tops. And that's pretty much it. You peter out there. So if you're looking for stone walls, you can stop watching now. Now I'm just going to be heading down Kneecap. Make sure my shocks aren't locked out. There's close to the edge. I'm going to end this video because the battery's about dead.